to show you around today. Let's go!
Perfect. Some love. Woo. Spread it all around for a good harvest.
Okay. I've got to make sure these big ones don't fall. That's a good tight knot. Oh. Almost. Got it. Got it. Yes.
Water's flowing well now.
Wow, that's heavy. This is a record. Mom, again.
Ah, this is a good one. Time to enjoy the harvest.
Help yourself. Fresh from the orchard. Delicious. Best durian smoothie ever.
Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.